Do the self-evaluation and revision chapter 3 of ICSE class 10th mathematics. Question number 12. Investment is given, that is 52,000. Face value is rupees 100. Market value is, after discount, it will be equal to 80 rupees. Dividend 8%. After 1 year, the individual sells at the premium of rupees 20, that is market value will be equal to 100 plus 20, that is 120. So the number of the shares will be equal to 52,000 divided by 80, it will be equal to 650. Now the first part, that is annual dividend, is equal to 650 into 100 into 8 by 100. You solve it, you will get 5,200. This will be the annual dividend. That is the first answer. Profit earned including the dividend is equal to 650 in bracket 120 minus 80 plus 5,200. So it will be equal to 650 into 40 plus 5,200. That will come equal to 31,200. This will be the second answer of the question number 12. Now question number 13. Investment is given, that is 9,600. Face value is rupees 100. Market value is rupees 80. Dividend is 18%. So the number of the shares bought will be equal to 9,600 divided by 80, that will be equal to 120. Total dividend is equal to 120, that is number of shares into face value, that is 100, into dividend percentage, that is 18. So we will get 2,160. Percentage return on the share is 2,160 divided by 9,600 multiplied by 100, it will be equal to 22.5 or 22.5%. So the question number 14, the number of shares is 50 given, face value is rupees 100, market value is 132. Investment, that is equal to the number of the shares into market value, that will be 50 into 132. This will be equal to 66,000. So the annual income when the dividend is 7.5%. So 50 into 100 multiplied by 7.5 divided by 100, it will be equal to 375. This will be the answer of the second part of the question number 14. Now the third part of the question number 14 is, let X be the number of the shares increase in order to enhance the annual income by rupees 150. So 50 plus X multiplied by 100 into 7.5 whole divided by 100 is equal to 375 plus 150. You just solve it. 50 plus X will be equal to 525 divided by 7.5. You further solve it, you will get 70. So the value of X will be equal to 70 minus 50, that is 20. 20 shares he has to increase. This will be the answer of the third part. Now question number 15. Face value is given, that is rupees 50. Dividend is given, that is 15%. Market value is 50 into bracket में देखिए 1 plus 20 by 100. This is premium. So it will be equal to 60. Annual income is given already, that is 600. Let X be the number of the shares bought. So X into 50 into 15 by 100, that will be equal to 600. So you solve this equation, x will be equal to 80 shares. The total investment will be number of the shares into market value. That is 80 into 60, that will be equal to 4,800. Now the rate of return or yield percentage will be equal to income divided by investment multiplied by 100. So 600 upon 4,800 into 100, it will be equal to 25 by 2. Further solve it, you will get 12.5% answer. Now question number 16. Investment is 9,600. Face value is rupees 100. Market value is, that is premium up to 20 rupees. So it will be equal to 120. Dividend is already given, that is 8%. From here, the individual sells the shares when the market value is rupees 160. And further invested the proceeds excluding the dividend in dividend that is given, that is 10%. Face value is rupees 50, market value is rupees 40. So the original number of the shares will be equal to investment, that is 9,600 divided by 120, that is market value. So it will be equal to 80. Sales proceeds, market value, that is rupees 160 here. So 80 multiplied by 160, it will be equal to 12,800. New number of the shares will be equal to 12,800 divided by 40, that is market value in the second case. So it will be equal to 320. Change in second and first dividend. You see, inside the bracket you write down 320 multiplied by 50 into 10 by 100 minus, in the second bracket write down 80 into 100 into 8 by 100, bracket closed, solve it. So in the first bracket you will get the answer 1,600. In the second bracket you will solve it, you will get the answer 640. Now subtract it, it will be equal to rupees 960. This will be the change in dividend, and this will be the answer of fourth part of the question number 16. Now question number 17. Investment, that is rupees 26,400. Dividend is 12%. Face value is rupees 25. Dividend, that is rupees 2,475. First, the number of the shares bought, let's say it is X. So the X into 25 into 12 by 100, it should be equal to 2,475 because it is given. You solve it, you will get the answer. X will be equal to 825 number of shares. Market value, we have to find out. The number of shares we have done, that is 825. Investment is 26,400. So the market value will be equal to investment upon number of the shares. So the 26,400 divided by 825, we will get, that is rupees 32. This will be the answer of the second part of the question number 17.